In previous class, we have discussed integers and their properties. Today we will discuss in more detail now and recall the things what I have explained. Whole number, natural number, all counting number 1, 2, 3 and etc. Whole number including with 0 and natural number. These all are natural number, and 0 including with natural number are called whole number. Okay. And integer, what is integer? Negative of natural number and whole number put together you will get integer, means negative of natural number like -1, -2, -3, and whole number what is 0, and positive natural number +1, 2, 3 etc. These all are integer. Similarly any more like 95, it also integer. Okay, so all the numbers that are lie on the number line are integer, but they all are counting numbers, either the negative or positive. Now we are discussing a number line. On the number line, addition, subtraction, see how we will add. I have told you when you add anything, so what you will do, you just whenever you are doing adding, you move on the right side, you move on the right side. If you are doing subtract, you move on the left side. Okay, and before this, one thing again we want to remind you, 0 is neither positive nor negative. Okay, and 0 is less than every positive number. 0 represent to nothing. Okay, now on the number line, here this question is written, -6 plus 3 equals to what? See, -6 and +3. So -6 where on the number line? It is lie here. Okay, and you want to add +3 here. So in the +3, what I have told you, you move on the right side. So from 6 you move on the right side. How many places? 3 places. So 1, 2 and 3. So what is your final point? This is your final point, means this. So this is your 3. What is 3? So your answer is -3. Okay, and in another words I have also told you how we will do the 6 minus +3. I told you when the different sign, unlike sign, these are unlike sign because here both are the sign are not same. One is plus, the another is minus. So these are unlike sign. If unlike sign, then what you will do, you find difference. Difference 6 and 3, which number is 6 and 3 greater? If this sign you will not consider like minus and plus, so 6 minus 3 you will get 3. But I have told you, you put the sign which value you see larger regardless of sign. So when we remove the sign minus and plus both, so you notice that 6 is greater, and the 6 having which sign here? Minus sign. It means you place here before minus sign, you will get in the both result the same. So as method which you like, you do. But if question is mentioned there, you solve with the help of number line, then you must follow only this method. Okay, now next question, -4 plus -3, how you solve this? See, -4 plus -3. So this how you can solve. First you see here are the two symbol consecutively is mentioned there, and in between them there is no digit. So what you will do, you multiply these signs. To minus 4 and this plus into minus, you will get minus 3. Okay, now you use number line. On number line, what you will do, first you reach the minus 4. So this is your minus 4 point. From minus 4 you again do what, minus 3 subtract. So how you can subtract it, this is negative number, and negative number I have told you move on the left side. So from minus 4 we are moving on the left side. Where is the left? This is left side from 4, and this is right side. If we want to move left side, how many places we have to move? 3. 1 2 3. So we have moved 3 places. Our final answer is minus 7. Okay, it means our result what is here, minus 7. In this way we have to solve our problems. Okay, and these are also here the similar problem. If you have any kind of problem, you inform me. Now absolute value of integer. Absolute value of integer I have also told you, regardless of sign, means you remove the only sign and you write the value. That is your absolute value. Sorry. Now subtraction of integer, this is also very simple. And now we are coming in exercise. Okay, then after we will discuss few example. If you have any problem in exercise or in examples. Okay. Exercise 1.1, question number 1. First see there, put sign this and this to make the given statement true. So you see here, first if I draw the number line, so here is 0, in the number line here is negative numbers line, and here is positive numbers line. Okay. Now I am talking about minus 9. So minus 9 where come? First minus 1 come, 2 come, 3 come, then minus 9 here come on the number line. Okay. Then minus 9 after where? Minus 13 come here, minus 13. Okay. Now if here minus 13 come, then now you compare here minus 9 and minus 13. So which number is lie in the left side? You notice here this is left side and this is right side. Okay, so in the left side which one is lie here? Minus 13. Okay, if minus 13 is left side lie to the 9, it means 9 is a greater number here, and this is a smaller number. I told you left number always smaller than the right number. It means minus 30 is smaller. If minus 13 is small, so arrowhead comes to minus 13 side. So this arrowhead you make like this. Similarly here minus 5 and 0. So you know that 0 is neither positive, here is 0, and minus 5 where can come? Here. If minus 5 here can come anywhere, it means it is lie on the left side to 0. If it is lie left side, it means minus 5 is small. If minus 5 is small, so you place like this sign here. Similarly here minus 125, minus 215 on the number line. This is 0. Here 1, 2, 3, 4 and so many come, and minus 125. Okay, and minus 125 after here can come what? 215. Minus 215 here come. If minus 215 is come here, so you see this minus 215 lie in the left side, it means it is smaller. If minus 215 is smaller, it means minus 215 is smaller here. So you arrowhead sign you put minus 215 side. Now one thing, this question we want to discuss by another method is also, suppose this is written minus 125 and here is written minus 215. Okay. If we think these signs are not present, means this sign is not present here. If the both places are having the sign, do you think this is not having the sign, this is not having the sign? So what is written here? 125 215. Okay, now you think which number is greater? Say this is greater because the both number are positive. But in case of negative, when we do the negative signs apply here, means we have to write here minus 125 and 215 minus, then you just change the symbol side, means just you reverse the direction of this sign to you put like this direction here. Okay, so you see your final answer is the same here. Your what sign you put here, here inside put like this. Okay, it means minus 125 is greater than minus 215. Okay, and in another word you also say that in negative things, if you seen that in negative any value is larger, it means the value is always smaller to the given number. If suppose minus 2 and minus 3, do you see that this value is looking like a larger, but actually it is a smaller value from minus 2. Actually it is smaller from minus 2. It means minus 3 is smaller than minus 2. Okay, now the next problem is addition. Minus 16 plus 12, add it. So how you add it? You add it here. When you add it, to see here, minus 16 plus 12, here the both places are having the unlike sign. If the both places having unlike sign, so what we will do? Subtract. 16 minus 12, 4 difference. But now which sign you put? You see that this number is larger number, and what is the sign here? Minus sign. So you place here minus sign. So your answer is minus 4. Okay, now the next question is minus 36 plus I need to add minus 3 to add it. Minus 36 plus into minus, both signs here there is no division in between them. It means what you will do, just multiply plus into minus, what you will get? Minus 3. Now you notice that both are having the same sign. If the both are having the same sign, then these are like, these are like. If these are like, then you add it. Minus 39. Okay, subtract the first integer. How you can do subtraction here? Okay, there is a one question I left there, that you also solve. 54, we need to add it with minus 54. You think that why this sign I have put it? Because question is told that you add it. What you will do? Add. That's why we have put the sign in between these two numbers. First is written there plus 54, this I have written. Then is written there minus 54, this I have right here. Okay, now you add it. So how you add it? You cannot put two signs just together. So these two signs simplify. Plus into minus, what you will get? Minus. Minus 54. Now 54 minus 54, what you will get? 0. You see here the both are having the different sign. Here is the plus sign, here is the minus sign, and the both are having the different sign. So what you will do? Difference of 54 minus 54, you will get 0. Final answer is 0. Now 7 and 15. 7 and 15, what you will do? Subtract first integer from the second. From the second. So second integer what is there? 15. First integer what is? 7. You have to subtract it, so you write as minus sign. Now 15 minus 7, what? You see here this 15 is positive, is positive, if it is positive, it means these are having a different sign. If different sign means they are unlike. If unlike, then you find difference. So 15 minus 7, what you will get? 8. Which number is larger? 15. So you put here the plus sign. Now the next, you subtract minus 5 from 8. So first you write 8. We want to subtract how much? Minus 5. So we have put here subtraction sign, and how much we have to subtract? Minus 5. These both number you write as it as, and in between them you put the sign which operation is question is told that which operation you have to apply. Okay. Here question is telling that we have to apply only subtraction operation, so we have applied in between these two numbers to one operation, that is minus operation. Okay, subtraction operation is denoted by this line only, straight line. Now 8, and you see here the both the two signs here put together. So these two signs you simplify, the minus into minus, what you will get? Plus, and plus 5 now. 8 plus 5, 13. Okay. Again, if we want to understand this question